Class 11 Applied Mathematics Activity 10 Cost Comparison on Excel Sheet. Here we are having 5 items which you need to buy, and there are 5 vendors: vendor 1, vendor 2, vendor 3, vendor 4, vendor 5, and we have to select that vendor who is giving us the least price. So for that we'll find the minimum price, the maximum price and the average price, and then we'll try to get the cheapest vendor. So how to do this one? So for that, first let us find the minimum price. So we'll write here equal to MIN, that is the formula to find the minimum value, and the curve bracket. Then for filing cabinet we'll select the price. So the first price which is offered is by vendor 1, that is 13,910. So we'll click on that cell and drag it till the vendor 5, so that is 15,740, and we close it and press enter. So once we press enter, we are getting the price, and we can see that price is here 13,875. And if you see in the row of filing cabinet, the least price is 13,875. So we have got the least price, that is minimum price. And now here we'll again move in that cell, then one small green square is there at the end, at the corner end, so that will put the cursor on that and drag it. So once we drag it, we'll get the minimum price for all the items. So let us check it out. For example, self, the minimum price is 9500, and that is what the same we are getting here, rupees 9,500. So here we are getting the minimum price for each of the item. Now let us find the maximum price. Why maximum price? So that we can know what is the difference between the minimum price and maximum price. We'll have an idea that how far the price of the item can go. So for that we'll just click on the first cell in which we have to find the maximum price, then equal to the formula to find the maximum price, MAX, then curve bracket, and then we'll select the first row in which we are having the price for filing cabinet. So here we are, and then we'll close the bracket and press enter. So we are getting the maximum price is 18,000. Let us check it out here. Here we can see that the highest price is 18,000. So that is what we are getting the correct, that is maximum price 18,000. So again we'll put the cursor on this small green square and then drag it. So that will give us all the maximum prices of each of the item here. So now next, average price. So average price, why? Because we will have an idea that how much the price are fluctuating from the mean. So for that you already know how to find the mean. So equal to, we'll write average, AVERAGE, then again curve bracket, we select the row in which filing cabinet price is there. So selected the whole, then close the cell and here press enter. So what we are getting, average price as 15,217. Now we'll drag the small square at the end of the cell, and this will give us the average price for each of the item. So these are the average prices for each of the item. And now we will be finding the cheapest vendor, that is the name of the cheapest vendor, and for that we'll use the index function. So we'll just the first cell in the cheapest vendor column will take and write here equal to, then use the index function. So write INDEX, then the curve bracket will come and we'll take the list of all the vendors from 1 to 5. So 1 to 5, and since the vendors are only in the row 6, we'll have to fix this. So we'll fix from B to F. So we'll put dollar for that. So $6, and here also $6. So the row has been fixed up. Now what we have to do is this vendors are from 1 to 5. So we have to find that vendor who is offering the minimum price. So for that we'll use the match function. So right here MATCH, then again the curve bracket will take, and then let us write here. So we need we'll be looking the minimum price. So minimum price is in which cell? It is in H, the column H and row 7. So why we are taking? Because we are working right now only on filing cabinet. So we'll write here H7, then we'll put comma, and we have to look out from all the prices which are being offered from by vendor 1 to vendor 5. So selecting the whole row, that is row 7. So this is all complete now, and then we'll put comma and then 0. 0 means exact matching. You can see here 0 means exact match. then 1 means less than, and minus 1 means greater than. So we need exact matching, and just we'll put here the curve bracket closing it, and but this is closing for this only, so one more curve bracket we need to put, so 2 curve bracket will come, and then press enter. So once we enter, what we are getting is vendor 4, and you see here of all the vendors, the least price being given by vendor 4, that is 13,875. So what we'll do now, we'll move back to vendor 4, click on that cell, and then drag this small green square is there at the corner, and dragging that will give us the name of all the vendors for the other items as well. So with this, our activity is complete.